painting. So if you're not familiar how to do it, we'll be teaching it to you. And then for the little boys, that's a toy that you can actually play with. Thank you again from the Brain Republic for joining our competition.
I'm happy po na I was able to represent the Philippines and bring home these medals, especially as it's my first year at the adults division.
It's your first year in the adult division. So, paano ba makakatulong itong experience mo dito sa competition na
Now for the
Asian
Philippines.
Championships this coming November 2?
With the discipline ko, the focus that I try to put with my effort for this competition po. I try to do the same for the Asia competition po. Siyempre, kailangan ko ng training and kailangan ko ng discipline ko talaga para maibigay ko po
So, yun, less than 2 months na lang, no, yung bago yung international competition mo sa India. So, what do you think, how confident are you na makakapag-uwi ka ulit ng medal for the country in that
I think my training will make me confident na I will
Okay, what about yun sa preparations nga pala? How's the preparations gone for Tukar? At malaki na itulong yung tune-up na rin for the upcoming competition. Yung preparations for the upcoming event and malaking ba na itulong nga dito sa competition?
sa competition po, especially with the team and the support po of the Brain Republic.
Okay, mag-picture taking mo kayo.